Welcome back to Donja Knife and Tool. Hope you're all having a great day or evening whenever you're watching this. I don't know. I don't know when you guys watch YouTube. Anyway, we got Swiss Tech again, Walmart's other brand. We liked a lot of their stuff, a lot of them, the Gerundant, their folding knives. Just a quick update. They did update the Gerundant and the other one. They're significantly more money now. The original ones I showed you guys, if you go back to my Swiss Tech video, I showed you a special edition in white and then the standard Gerundant knives. Those used to be about $29. Then they went up to $36. And now the two new editions they have out, not this guy, are actually jade handles, which I really don't like. And they're, I think, $39 and $49.97. So significantly more expensive. Buy the first editions. They're so much better, and unless you like jade, that's really entirely up to you. But what we have here is the Schlussel, one of their newer, smaller flashlights. Here's the Swiss Tech that I showed last time in the last Swiss Tech video as well. You can see the size difference there. It's basically the same length. This one's just a lot fatter. This one's going to last a lot longer. This one's about 1,000 lumens. All right. The reason this was intriguing is it's at 400 lumens. It seems a lot less, but that's actually beneficial. Okay. There's been a few nights where I've been trying to read a model number on a knife blade, and the flashlight to be so bright. Look how dull that is. Can't barely tell it's on. That's perfect. When you're trying to read a serial number or a blade steel or something like that, you don't want a lot of light. So that's why I chose this. This came in around $15 on Walmart. And there is a special edition one in red. Looks like the Christmas edition. If you want one of those, they'll be gone by the time of the holidays. You know, we're not even at the 4th of July yet. But if you want the one in red, you should probably jump on it. I made that mistake several times myself already. Not much in the box. Your instructions, which you're going to want to read. The charging cord and the clip I've already installed, but I'm never going to keep this on my keychain. It's just going to take such a beating. You know, it's just not worth it to have flashlights on your keychain, as far as I feel. And usually I throw the instructions away, but this one you're going to want to keep because I charge this thing up, and here, that's the coolest part. You can actually rotate this to expose the charging port. How cool is that? And it's your standard USB-C. Charge it up wouldn't work. If you read the instructions, it says you have to hit this 5 times really fast, and then it goes on. You can go through all your modes. All right. So for $15, I needed a lower power 400 lumens light to be able to read blade steels and stuff like that. All my other flashlights apparently are just way too powerful. All right, so not bad. I like it. Waterproof, lasts for 24 hours. We have to recharge it again. And again, the lower 400 lumens is actually beneficial. It shows you that's at 10%. Orange will be 10 to 60, and green is 60+%. And word to the wise, always read your instructions first, because I almost returned this without even checking, without even trying, actually. So, all right, what we have left on the table here is the Swiss Tech Helden Kit. All right, I believe these are very hard to, these go out of stock very fast at $39.99, which I think is a little pricey. I got this between $15 and $18. I guess they were just trying to clear out the remainder of their stock, and now they're completely out of stock now. So sorry if you didn't get one or if you wanted one. This one knife alone goes for $25 by itself. So this whole kit at $39.99 I guess is worth it if you want all these other tools. But I wouldn't spend more than I did at $15, $18. The boxes are very cool, just like on the Gerundant stuff. All right, they're magnetic boxes. Very cool. Shows you all the tools in there. All right, let's get the flashlight out of the way. Over there. They tell you everything about it. All right, let's open. Let's get this plastic out of here first, if we can. So the Helden Kit on there. All right. There was tape on there. That's these rips. I ripped the tape off, so you see there's tape on that one. That's a titanium ring, keychain ring. All right, let's just jump in with the knife. All right. Feels great, very thin. All right. They did say this is a full-size knife, and I don't see this being a full-size knife of anything. All right. We have a liner lock. We have the thumb studs. I love the red disc thumb studs. That is very cool. Very grippy G10. Right, huge pot clip. This is great for a money clip. You know, if you had cash on, you want to put that in there as a money clip, and then you have the knife as well. Very nice blade on there. Very nice cut edge. 12C27 blade. Updated analyzed aluminum thumb disc, front flipper, cage ceramic ball bearings. All right, G10 handle, we already had that. 3-inch. Updated skeletonized liners. Yes, they are. Hard to see in the camera because they're black, but you can see they're a little bit skeletonized. Removable belt and money clip. Oh, so I was right. It is a money clip as well. You can take that off and just use it as a money clip without the knife. All right. This is not a full-size knife. Are they kidding me? Let's grab just a regular old Ozark Trail here. That to me is a regular size knife. Not this. This is not a regular size knife. We know they're 7.5 on the Ozark Trails because they don't change size. Yeah, we're at 5.5, just a hair over, and this would be a regular size knife for me, 7.5 inches. Although this does fit very well in my hand. All right, this is completely and totally usable for me. All right, I'm not a small knife guy. I know some of you like the smaller knives, some of you need smaller knives. But yeah, I don't consider that a full-size knife at all. Or regular size is what they said on the website, I believe. Check it out for yourself. Now, you can buy these individually, like I said, but they're 25 and up starting at. See, it's a Stamig M2, so that's a Stamig knife. And this is the Helden Kit. All right, you gotta pay attention with these guys. All right. The other contents in here is a pen. All right, it gives you the refills right here. I guess you gotta take this apart to use it. Oh, okay. There already is a refill in there. All right, so we're gonna open this side, and we have a pen. All right, very cool. I like that. Let's see. The Binden is the titanium key ring. Okay, titanium EDC pen. Okay, ultra lightweight, corrosion resistant, and durable titanium. Replacement standard D1 size ink refill. Screw top, keyring attachment. Alright, so that's very cool. And there's extra refills in there as well. Love the extra hardware. You know, that's one of my favorites, everybody. If I see extra hardware with the knife, that is fantastic. I don't think we need to pull out the titanium keyring. It's just a keyring. But this is very quite interesting. I love me a little bit driver. Alright. Is this titanium? It doesn't say. It says mini key driver. Aluminum body and internal storage. Alright. This bit comes in. It's a smaller bit. It's the T6. Alright. Let's move this over because I believe if we open the top here, we have 2 more bits. Is it 2 more? Let's see how many bits. Yep, 3 bits. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Alright, so that's pretty cool. And you can use, this is not the full-size bits, these are the smaller bits. You know, but yeah, these are interchangeable with all your other tools and stuff like that. So, alright, there you have it. You got yourself for, I'm into this 15 and 15, but usually this would be 25 and, or 39, whatever. It really depends on what's in stock, guys, so it really doesn't matter. If you can't buy it, you can't have it, so it really shouldn't matter anyway. But this is a nice little EDC kit. You know, I'm not mad at this at all, even though this is not a full-size knife, but it feels good in my hand. This is not bad at all. I wouldn't have bought this by itself for $25+. They have ones with carbon fiber and all sorts of other stuff. The skeletonized blade is very cool. I dig that a lot. You know, I dig the disc. You know, everything about it is cool. If they made this in a full size, man, I'd buy that all day long. But with the smaller flashlight, you got yourself a nice little mini EDC kit. You can use the extra ring to put it all together, and you got your extra refills. What else we got in the box here? Yeah, precision tools, for everyday use. It's a nice kit. All right, it wouldn't be my main kit, but it's a nice kit. Nothing wrong with this kit here. All right, there you have it. You know, Ozark Trails is not the only in-house Walmart brand. The other brand is Swiss Tech. Hey, if you liked the video, hit that subscribe button for me, and have a fantastic day.